Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today video topic is collection set in Java. First, to understand the collection. A collection in a Java is an object that represents a group of elements. This element can be object of any type and collection provide provide a structure way to store, retrieve and manipulating these elements. Collection are integral to a Java programming as they are offer a dynamic and flexible means to handle a data, making it easier to manage, organize and process information within the program. Key interface in Java collection framework. A Java collection framework JSP is a comprehensive set of interfaces and classes that provide a standardized way to work with collection. Some of the key interfaces in the JSP include: first one is a collection, the root of interface that defines the basic method common all the collection types. Second is one is the list and order collection that allow duplicate elements and provide a positional access. Third one is the set, and under set is an under it collection that does not allow duplicate element. And fourth one is a queue designed for holding element prior to processing other following a first in first out order. Types of collection in Java collection framework. Collection can broadly categorize into following ways. First one is a list order collection that allow duplicate element. Common implementation include array list, linked list and vector. Second type is a set. Set is a under collection that do not allow duplicate element. Notable implementation include hash set, linked set and tree set. Third one is a map collection that represent a key value pairs. Popular implementation are hash map, link hash map and tree map. And fourth type is collection is queue collection design or holding the element prior to processing upon following specific order. Linked list, prioritized queue are commonly implementation. This is all about the collection, and now discuss our topic set collection in Java. First, to understand the definition, a set is a part of the Java collection framework representing a collection that does not allow duplicate elements. In set is the interface, the primary interface of the set, the primary interface for a set interface which extended the more general collection interface. Characteristics of set. First feature of the set is no duplicates elements. A set does not allow a duplicate elements. If you attempt to add an element that are already present, this set remain unchanged. Second feature is unordered collection. Unlike list, set do not guarantee any specific order of element. This order in which elements are stored is not necessarily the order in the which they are inserted. Third type of feature is interface and implementation. The primary interface representing a set is a set of interface which extend the more general collection interface. Common implementation of set include hash set, linked hash set and tree set. hash set. Fourth type is hash. Fourth feature is hash set. Hash set is an implementation of set that use a hash table to store element. It provides a constant time performance of basic operation adds like add, remove, contain. Fifth feature of set is link hash set. Link hash set is a similar to a hash set but maintain a predictable iteration order. Use a word doubly linked list order in element. Uh, Sixth feature is a tree set. Tree set is an implementation that use to read a black tree or store element in order to implement based on natural according to specification comparators. Seventh feature is common set operation. Set support various operations include adding elements, add method, remove element, remove method, checking for the presence of the element, contains method, and determining the size of the element, the size method. Eighth feature is the set operation, union, intersection, and difference. Set prioritize method for performing set operation such as union, intersection, and the difference. These operations are useful for combining or comparing sets. Ninth feature is iterating over a set. You can iterate over a set using a iterator, the enhance for loop or the for each methods introduced in Java. The order of iteration is not guaranteed to be any particular order. This is all discuss about the all characteristics of set. Second I have implementation set. How implement the set? Commonly implementation of set interface includes hash set. Use that hash set table store the provide constant time performance for basic operation. Second is link hash set. Maintain insertion order using a doubly link set. Tree set order element based on their natural ordering or specific cooperator using a red black tree. Basic operation of set. Set support of fundamental operations such as adding elements, add method, remove element, remove method, checking of the presence of element contains, and determining the size of the set. Set operation. Set provide a method for a set operation include union. First one is a union, combine elements for two set. Second one is a intersection, retain only two common element between two set. Third one is a difference, remove element present in on a set. Iterating over set. Iteration can be done using iterators, the enhance for loop for each method. The order of iteration not guarantee of any specific order. This is all about the feature and characteristics and how to implement the set. Briefly introduce conclusion of the set. Set in Java provide a flexible and efficient way to manage a collection of elements without allowing duplicate elements. Their characterized to make them suitable for scenario when uniqueness and order may not be critical, and set operation offer powerful tools for manipulating and comparing a set. The choice of specific set implementation depend on the requirement, the application and desired characteristics of set. This is the conclusion of the set. And in this video topic, the discuss about the all collect set, information of set, how to implement features and various type of set, and set how useful in our collection. This is all discussed. Thank you.